Taking a look at the weather headlines as we head into the final few days of 2024 and bring in the brand new year. For your Monday and your Tuesday, your temperatures will be mild and above average for this time of year. Along with that, it'll be very, very sunny. I'm forecasting sunshine all week long. Only a small chance of rain as a little weak cold front comes through on Tuesday. Otherwise, it'll be a beautiful week under lots of sunshine. The biggest change that we have over say the next week and a half is a big cool down come after Tuesday. From Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into the upcoming weekend and even into the upcoming work week, temperatures will be plummeting each and every single day. I'll tell you more about that coming up in just a few minutes. First off, taking a look at the forecast as we head into the final week of 2024 for your Monday. Again, mild and above average for this time of year. Temperatures right along the immediate coastline will be topping out from 64 to 65 degrees. As you head further inland across the PD and along the border belt, a little bit warmer, anywhere from 67 to about 68 degrees. Again, lots of sunshine will be out there, so it'll be a beautiful way to start out the brand new work week with southwesterly winds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. As we head into your Monday night, it will be chilly. Temperatures right along the coastline will be dropping down into the upper 40s to around 50. As we head further inland where you don't have the direct influence from the ocean, it'll be a couple of degrees cooler, anywhere from about 43 to 45 degrees. Thankfully, we'll be looking at lots of clear skies, so it'll be a pretty nice night. Again, chilly with temperatures only getting down into the mid to upper 40s, maybe the lower 50s if you live right along the coastline. We'll have southwesterly winds at about 5 miles per hour. It's hard to believe that in just a few days, we'll be on the final day of 2024, and before you know it on Wednesday, we'll be saying hello to 2025. Thankfully, the forecast for your New Year's Eve is looking pretty good. As I mentioned earlier in this video, we do have a weak cold front coming through overnight on Tuesday, throughout the day on Tuesday, and that'll bring us a small chance of rain. It's going to be very strived to moisture, meaning that I don't think everybody's going to see rain, and because of that, I've kept our rain chances pretty limited at only a 20% chance. Otherwise, it'll be partly sunny. Highs will again be above average in the upper 60s to around 70. As we head into your New Year's Eve, perfect weather for any New Year's Eve plans as we ring in the brand new year. Under mostly clear skies, temperatures will be falling into the mid to upper 40s. And then for your New Year's Day, the first day of 2025, it'll be absolutely beautiful under abundant sunshine, temperatures topping out in the upper 50s to around 60. As we get into the first few days, the first couple of weeks of 2025, it is looking to be very, very cold. We can all remember how cold it was as we ended December and went into ended November, that is, and went into December. It was very, very cold. All of our models are forecasting it to be that cold, if not even colder, as we head into the first and second week of January, as multiple shots of very cold air are heading southward from Canada and from the polar vortex. How cold are we talking? Well, here's a look at the current model guidance. For the first week of January, highs won't get out of the 40s, if not the 50s, with overnight lows falling down into the 20s and 30s. As we head into the second week of January, an even colder cold snap will be heading southward, and that will make for only highs getting into the 30s to around 40. Overnight lows could get down into the teens, if not the 20s. Now, I will be honest with you, this is going to be an ideal setup for some winter weather here in South Carolina. As of right now, no slam dunk storm systems are going to be in the forecast. Thus, I'm not forecasting any snow or winter precipitation. It's not out of the question that we could see some of that as we head into January. However, like I said, nothing is a slam dunk, and I'm not currently forecasting that. I'll keep you posted if any of our models do change or if our forecast confidence gets better that we could see that. But as of right now, I'm not forecasting that. But just know, as we head into the first and the second week of January, it is looking to be very, very cold. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast, proudly brought to you by Hunter Plumbing Services. Warm and above normal for this time of year for your Monday and Tuesday as we end 2024. As we head into your Wednesday, Thursday, and your Friday, the first couple of days of 2025 looks to be absolutely beautiful, but temperatures will be slowly plummeting each and every single day. We go from the 60s for your Monday and Tuesday down into the 50s for your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and before you know it, we're back into the 40s for your Saturday. As we head further inland, it gets cold by the end of this week. We go from near 70 on Tuesday down to the upper 40s for your Saturday, and overnight lows, before you know it, we'll be back in the mid to upper 20s. I hope you all have a great rest of 2024.